Egg whites or whole eggs? Which is the healthier choice? When it comes to nutrition, go for the whole egg. And for maximum nutrition, choose Eggland's Best. The yolk contains most of the vitamins and minerals, and Eggland's Best yolks contain even more vitamins B2, B5, B12, D, and E, plus omega-3s and lutein when compared to ordinary eggs. And even though egg whites are touted for high-quality protein, get this: nearly half of the protein is in the yolk. Sure, the yolk contains moderate amounts of fat, but mostly good unsaturated fat, which your body needs to absorb the beneficial fat-soluble vitamins found in an Eggland's Best yolk. Still unsure? Eggland's Best eggs not only pack more nutrients, but also have 25% less saturated fat and fewer calories than ordinary eggs. Meaning you can feel good about eating your Eggland's Best egg and the yolk.